Hello, everyone. What if you could wake up every morning with total financial freedom? No more bills keeping you up at night. No more paycheck to paycheck stress. Imagine a life where your money works for you, giving you the time and freedom to do what truly makes you happy. Sounds hard to achieve? Let me show you how it's not. In this video, we're diving into what financial freedom really means and, most importantly, how you can achieve it. Let's get started. Financial freedom is all about being in control of your money, rather than letting it control you. It means having enough resources to live the life you want, without constantly worrying about a paycheck. No sleepless nights over surprise expenses. No daily stress over how to make ends meet. Are you curious about how to achieve this? Here's a step-by-step guide to financial freedom. First, set crystal clear goals. What does financial freedom look like for you? Maybe it's retiring early, traveling the world, or starting a business. Knowing exactly what you're working toward will give you clarity and keep you motivated. Next, diversify your income. Don't rely on a single source of income. Start a side hustle, invest in stocks, or even explore rental properties. Multiple income streams mean more security and financial stability. Then, you should create a budget. Think of your budget as a roadmap for your money. Track every dollar you earn and spend. Cut out unnecessary costs, like unused subscriptions, and prioritize your savings. Small tweaks can make a big impact. The fourth step, save and invest. Saving is essential, but investing is what truly grows your wealth. Start with small investments in mutual funds, stocks, or real estate. Over time, these can snowball into significant financial gains. Finally, tackle debt. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, can hold you back from achieving financial freedom. Prioritize paying these off first. Once you're debt-free, you'll feel lighter, freer, and in control. Now, imagine this. You wake up every morning without the need for an alarm clock, free to decide how you'll spend your day. Maybe it's traveling, working on your passion projects, or simply enjoying time with loved ones. That's the power of financial freedom. It gives you the most valuable resource of all, time. So, what would financial freedom mean to you? Let me know in the comments below. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to master your finances and live your best life. See you next time. Bye.